Metal. It's Todd from ToJu Racing. Slayer. How we doing today, kids? All right, we're gonna open up this box now. Sorry I made you wait yesterday with that unboxing, but you know, it's all good. So here we go. Let's change the camera and get it on. All right, kids, here we go. I am very excited for this car. I've been wanting one of these since I first got into the hobby. They were kind of pricey. I might tell you what it is. It might not. Drum roll, please. Ooh, ah. All right, let's get these out of the way. Now this one's mine, Dave the Hat Man. Has a car coming still as well that we haven't unboxed yet. Ooh. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my God. Look at that bad boy. Let's get this open. There's that red Ferrari Santa wanted, right? Right, Harry? Oh my. This is badass, man. All right, I'm going to take it out here and give you guys a better look at the bottom and what have you, and then we'll get her on the turntable for a really close look. Oh man, I'm excited. Wow. All right, here's a look at the bottom. Interesting how the guide's back here. Pretty stiff on the guide. Of course, your switch, your sensor, braids look good because they're new. I've already got the Paul gauge tires for these. In case you guys are wondering which tire it is, let me help you out. Hang on here. Got a whole stack of gauge tires here. My whole order came in through the thing. So here's the F-1 tires. There's your model number. All right, we're gonna get this thing on the turntable for a real good look here. All right, time for the turntable action. Check that beautiful thing out. Look at those wheels, the beautiful Pirelli tires, the shell livery on the front. What else does it say? Mule, Firestone. There's a whole bunch of them on the front wing. I didn't even get a catch. Those tires are just gorgeous. I almost hate to replace them. Oh my God, this car is so sexy. Nothing like a red Ferrari. UPS, Ray-Ban, big Ferrari logo. Weichai? I'm not sure what that is. Got the driver's name up there, Hubolt, looks like. That's hard to make out. It's a Ferrari thing right there. Then there's a Ferrari logo. Number 7. Sandtagager. The driver looks great. You can see the little steering wheel. Cool design on his helmet there. This thing's really neat. I'm sure it's some sort of electronics package that they run these days in these things. Alfa Romero back there. And there's a bunch more liveries there. I didn't get a catch on my spinning wheel. V-Power. Again, couldn't make it out. There's a nice Ferrari logo on the very nose. And then there's your struts and steering and all that. It's even got a texture like it's carbon fiber, it looks like, which is pretty neat. Then there's your lower air damage. Air dams. Air damage. You know, because it's damage. Yeah, never mind. Bad joke. Haha, I kid. So yeah, then here's your exhaust in the back, then your rear air dams and all that. Let's do an overhead here just to get a better look. What a beautiful, beautiful car. I can't wait to run this bad boy on the track. I'm going to go through the testing phases with this, with, you know, the just out of the box, then with the tune, then with the tires and what have you, and the steering guide, of course. Assuming I can change the guide out. Looks like a normal guide, so I think that shouldn't be a problem. I have some around, so that'll work. So anyway, thank you for this F1 Ferrari unboxing. She's a beautiful car. I can't wait to run her. Finally, I get one of the cars, huh? Anyway, I hope you all had a good time watching this. Remember to race your slot cars. There's no wrong way to race a slot car. See you later, slot cowboys. Race on. Happy Saturday.